Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into iSolved, access HCM Payroll and HR tools step by step clearly. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the iSolved login URL and press enter. You will be directed to the iSolved login page. Look for the username field. Enter your unique username associated with your iSolved account. Next, locate the password field. Carefully type in your password. Once both fields are filled, double-check for any typing errors. If you are using a public or shared device, ensure the Remember Me option. Now, find and click on the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the iSolved dashboard. In case you encounter an error message, verify your username and password for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. After successfully logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the payroll and HR tools available in your account. If you need assistance navigating the system, refer to help resources or user guides provided by iSolved. Now you're ready to utilize the HCM Payroll and HR tools effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.